Hey guys, I'm at the Kilgour Street level crossing in Geelong, Victoria. This is a 2-gate 2-signal level crossing on the line to Warren Ponds, which sees trains to South Geelong, Warren Ponds, N classes currently to Warrnambool and the Warrnambool Freight. This first signal over here has a unmarked space, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing stop front signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a standard Crossbuck, a older style Safetran Type 3 e-bell, a Artcraft healthy state indicator, a flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights. And on this signal over here, we have a unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing stop front signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a standard Crossbuck, an older style Safetran Type 3 e-bell, a flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights.